Sample Processing System Magic-8400 series support multiple swabs in one tube for testing, namely 20-in-1, 10-in-1, 5-in-1, and 1-in-1 sample tubes from different manufacturers. With a daily processing capability of 20,000 sample tubes and 400,000 samples, it can be used to handle a large quantity of nucleic acid detection. The length of 8400 is 1.1 meters, and it has 2 deep well plates, while the length of 8400 Plus is 1.2 meters, and it has 6 deep well plates. Complete sample isolation, sample scanning, uncapping, pipetting, and capping of 96 sample tubes in 7 minutes. Construct a PCR system for 96 samples in 4 minutes. There are 4 non-equidistant grippers built into the manipulator, and each gripper is equipped with an independent code scanner. 20 swabs, 10 swabs. Compatible with various mainstream sample tubes, using capacitive sensing, pressure sensing detection, and the artificial intelligence algorithm of the software. The pipette pump can calculate the suction position and the suction parameters in real time, so that it can effectively avoid the occurrence of abnormal situations, such as empty suction and insufficient liquid volume. With startup self-check, errors alarm, and door lock sensor, you can prevent illegal entry and suspend at any time to deal with abnormal accidents. Built-in filtration system and UV disinfection system. The filtration efficiency is 99.9%, effectively preventing aerosol pollutants leakage and ensuring the safety of samples and medical personnel. MyDeck, an intelligent medical leading brand.